baby crow. Hello, baby crow. We can do it, baby crow.
He is massive though.
We're coming for you. Hello.
Oh God, look at this. We're gonna have to make a massive hole
I
here.
don't care.
He's humongous.
I don't care. Oh, you two, thank you so much. Thank you for being on my side when Baker said I couldn't do it.
Where?
You're going to have to get rid of that audio. If you're filming.
Where's he gone? Is he gone?
Go on, I'm in.
Give me that a second. Where's that hammer?
Oh, that's brilliant.
He's still quite perky considering he's been in there for like 4 days.
Food and drinking
He
now,
must do.
Colin.
Must
4 days now.
So where's the thing at? He is massive though, I don't know how he got in there.
Well, you can grab him with this teacloth and put him in this box while we have an assessment of how injured he is. Because I don't think he can fly.
He's probably quite scared now because I'm making that noise.
Hello, darling.
Is he there? Can he get out of there?
Hello.
Can he get out?
Can you get out? Hello.
It's like, do I want to get out?
Hello, baby bird. Hello.
No, he's too big still.
Hello.
Give him a min, give him a min.
He can do it. Give him a min. Come on, darling.
Oh, you might want to get rid of Toby, Mum.
It's okay. You go out there.
Yeah, he might be staying
You
there
go.
because of Toby.
Hello.
I reckon he could get out of that.
Hello.
Yeah, he can.
It's me. We've been talking for 4 days now.
Got Stockholm syndrome.
Come on out, me little lamb. Come on. That's it.
come on.
Sorry, Anne. Come on, you can do it.
Come on.
You
I'm not
can.
going to make any more roll noises.
Hiya. Hiya, baby crow.
I think he's just looking at it.
Hi, baby crow. Did it? We got it.
It's massive!
Hi,